Welcome to AutoResolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix lag and stuttering issue in Battlefield RedSec on PC and boot your FPS for smoother.
Fix 1. Lower graphics settings. Step 1. Open Battlefield RedSec settings. Graphics. Step 2. Set texture quality, shadows, and post-processing to medium or low. Step 3. Turn VSync off. Step 4. Set resolution scale to 100% or lower. Step 5. Apply changes and restart the game. Fix 2. Update GPU drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin app. Step 2. Click Check for updates. Step 3. Download and install the latest driver. Step 4. Restart your PC and launch the game again. Fix 3. Set Battlefield RedSec to high performance. Step 1. Press Windows. Open System, Display, Graphics Settings. Step 2. Find Battlefield RedSec, XE, and click Options. Step 3. Select High Performance, click Save. Fix 4. Disable background apps. Step 1. Press URL, Shift ESC to open Task Manager. Step 2. Under Processes, right-click, Heavy apps like Chrome, Discord. Step 3. Select End Task. To free up memory. Fix 5. Turn off Windows Game, DVR, and Xbox Game Bar. Step 1. Press Windows I Gaming Game Bar. Step 2. Turn record game clips and open Xbox Game Bar off. Step 3. Go to Captures and disable background recording.